Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today let's talk about Snap Assist in Windows 11. Snap Assist is a great way to improve your work productivity by sharing many app windows in a single screen. It comes with different predetermined layouts and sizes to choose from. There are several ways to use Snap Assist in Windows 11. Let's explore. You either hover over the Windows Maximize or Restore button or drag an app you would like to snap to the middle right or middle left of your screen, or drag an app to the upper middle of your screen. Any of these actions will activate the Snap Layout box, which shows several layouts to choose from. Place your app in any of the layouts to snap the app into that position. As soon as you make your first snap, Snap Assist will show thumbnails for your other open apps in Windows. Pick the one you want to fill up the other sections of your layout. These layouts and apps will become a snap group. If you were interrupted and open a new app, you can easily come back to the Snap group by hovering over one of the group's open apps in the taskbar to find the Snap group again. To go back to a full screen view, maximize any of your open windows or apps. Press the Windows logo key plus Z to display the layout box. Enter the number of the layout you want to use. Then enter the number where you want your window positioned in that layout. Use Snap Assist to fill the layout with other windows or apps you would like to snap together on the same screen. Press the Windows logo key plus arrow to snap the app you are on. You can keep changing positions of the snap using your keyboard arrows. When you found the snap location you want, release the Windows logo key to position the snap. Then use Snap Assist to fill up the layout. With Snap Assist, you can adjust the screen of any of the windows in the group. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps. Remember to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!